Picture a place where wonders never cease, where curiosity meets creativity, and where the future is in the hands of young explorers. Welcome to the Shard Center for Innovation, a playground of technology and imagination. In the world of artificial intelligence, children take the helm, steering industries into the future. Their minds light up with possibilities as they discover how technology can change the world. Next up, the drone programs. Here, young aviators take to the skies, navigating the expanse of coding and exploration, powered by an insatiable curiosity and an infectious joy. Over in robotics, young inventors breathe life into their creations. They learn the value of teamwork and hone problem-solving skills, all while having the time of their lives. But the adventure doesn't stop there. In the realm of machine learning, children plunge into the deep sea of data. They uncover hidden insights and tap into their boundless potential, all in a day's fun. Then there's 3D printing, where young artists and engineers turn dreams into reality. They materialize their imagination, one creation at a time, in a symphony of innovation and creativity. In the exciting world of data science, a thrilling quest awaits. Children decipher patterns and crack codes, unlocking the power of knowledge through collaboration. And finally, the Internet of Things is a limitless playground. Here, children connect, create, and learn, proving that in a world of technology, the possibilities are indeed endless. So, welcome to the Shard Center for Innovation, where the sparks of imagination ignite the fires of the future. This is where dreams take flight, where innovation meets inspiration, and where every child is an architect of tomorrow.